Hi, I'm Gilles from Billit, and it's my honor to present to you today our integration with Stripe. Billit is a global e-invoicing platform that allows you to send e-invoices easily. Now, what is an e-invoice? Well, just like email, e-invoicing is a delivery method for your invoices. However, thanks to secure networks, sending e-invoices is a lot safer, and since the invoice is sent in a structured manner from software to software, it allows for automating business processes. More importantly, more and more countries are legally mandating the use of e-invoicing platforms like PayPal. With Billit integration in Stripe, we have enabled all Stripe users to send e-invoices without using any code seamlessly. No matter how you use Stripe, our integration will allow you to automatically send e-invoices to over more than 40 countries. So, without further ado, let's head over to the Stripe app marketplace and install the Billit app. Installing the app allows us to link our Billit account to Stripe. After installing the app, we can click on View App Settings. On the settings screen, we can enable Auto Send Finalized Invoices. Enabling the setting will automatically send invoices to countries selected in the list below. For this demonstration, I'm going to send an e-invoice to a Belgian customer. We can also include or exclude specific customers. And finally, we can choose whether to use the invoice template from Stripe or use the invoice template from Billit. And just like that, we have enabled Billit integration in Stripe. Now, in order to demonstrate this, I have prepared an API request to create a draft invoice in Stripe. As you can see, this request includes a Belgian customer and at least one line item. As soon as we send this request, our draft invoice will be created in Stripe. Next, let's finish the invoice by sending a second API request to finalize the invoice. Every finalized invoice will be automatically sent through PayPal using Billit. After clicking Send, let's head over to the invoice in Stripe and check the delivery status. Click on the invoice in Stripe and open the Billit app. Here you can see that our invoice was successfully delivered through PayPal. Obviously, it's also possible to send invoices manually. In order to allow sending e-invoices, make sure you have specified the customer's identifier, like the VAT number. This is just one example of using the Billit app to send an invoice through a specific network. Billit supports many different networks in more than 40 countries worldwide. Taking advantage of the app requires having a Billit account, which you can set up in a minute. Check out our website, billit.eu, for additional details and pricing. And that's about it. I hope you have enjoyed this demonstration of Billit's integration with Stripe. If you have any questions about using Billit or e-invoicing in general, do not hesitate to contact us.